Hey. So, to submit a tech ticket, you need to be on our school website right here. And then if you click Students, it'll bring you to this page. And there's a menu up here where there's Students Home, Student Government, Restorative Practices, Transgender and Gender Nonconforming Students, EFHS Device Contract. So all of this stuff used to be on the side here, but it's now up on the top. I am going to alert you to several things before I show you how to submit a tech ticket. First of all, PowerSchool login is right here. You should use that. It is important. And then transgender and gender nonconforming, restorative practices, student handbook. That will get you kind of the information about some more specific programs or guidelines that we have at school that you might not have seen otherwise. Anyways, if you go to the middle row, middle button, technology support ticket, you're going to click on that and it will bring you to this page. So this will load, so you will do a summary. It's like a subject line in an email. So when I submit them, I oftentimes do student Chromebook or like if my projector's broken, so you'd put your subject, and then in the description you would put what your issue is. So I'd say, hi there, my projector isn't working today. The light in it keeps flickering. So you would put whatever you need there, and then you would hit submit request, and then it will bring you to a screen that shows you how your ticket has been received, and it lets you know that you will get a quote-unquote receipt of your ticket in your email inbox, and that someone from IT will respond to your ticket for your next steps, and that will come up right into your email inbox.